Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Manincor. This is the Eco 90. Now this is going to be the upgraded Eco 90 model available with the ceramic tile panels. So here we have it shown in white. It's also going to be available in gray and in a Bordeaux red color. So I'm just going to give you guys a general product overview. The Manincors are customizable, so here it's shown with the 3-piece rail. This is going to be sold separately. You can also do a single 1-piece rail just on the front of the stove. So you do have your damper control located directly on the front door. It modulates from 0 through 5. Inside the firebox, you do have a fully gasketed firebox door. On the inside, your ash pan is located directly below. Nice, decent size ash pan to hold quite a bit in here. Inside the firebox, you do have the log stopper, which keeps the log from rolling forward into your glass. Inside the firebox, the side and the rear are going to be a cement brick, and then the bottom is going to have a cast iron grate. Located right here is going to be your oven. Your oven door pulls down. It is going to be a stainless steel oven. Inside you do get 2 oven racks, the classic enamel pan, and then you do get the slide out oven wire rack as well. Your oven clean out will be located directly below the oven right here, so easy access for clean out. And then your oven damper control is going to be located right here to the right hand side of the oven. Below you do have pan drawer storage. So this particular model is going to be able to be a top or a rear vent, and on the Eco model your flue will be located on the right hand side of the stove when facing the front. So I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give the video a thumbs up, share them with your friends, share them on the internet like wildfire. Don't forget to click subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.